Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for a Anfield Road expansion update. Dailies aren't going to happen anymore now. It's just not. There's no point in doing the dailies. There's not going to be much change. So I think last time I was here was Monday, so I might do 3 a week. Should keep people happy. 4 if I can, maybe. Yeah, but I'll do at least 3 a week. I'll try and take the weekends off, as that's going to be when there's the least work going on. So we'll have a look around. While I'm here, I may as well advertise my wares, hadn't I? So, as everyone knows, I do photography. You know what, I'll have a little look down this wall here while I'm talking. And I've gotten back into the grassroots football photography. So if anyone wants to hire me in Liverpool area or surrounding areas, it depends how close you are to Liverpool. Here's what I do, here's pictures of what I do. So there's a couple of pictures of players on the screen, and also the team photos that I do. So if there's anything that you like there, you know, let me know. And book in. My prices are really good. No one's ever had a problem with the prices. I think I'm undercut myself, to be honest, but I think it's I don't like overcharging. So yeah, I think what I do is a fair price. Yeah, so get in touch. Right, we'll have a little look around. Sorry, I'll have zoomed in on the wall while there's a picture on the screen there, so yeah. There's not much change to that wall there, is there? This guy's working on it down here. We're still only, what, 2? Oh, that's it, isn't it? Yeah, that's the side it's going to go, I've been told. It's like a sitting on wall, isn't it? So you can, yeah, you can park yourself on there. There's going to be some put my teeth back in. There's going to be some shrubbery in this area here. That was, God, I struggled saying that, didn't I? Bushes and trees, I should say, are going to be in there. Yeah. Right, let me have a look around. A lot of work going on. Well, there's people on the outside. Okay. I saw some over here as well. Yeah, people keep mentioning the curbstones going in, so yeah, that's one thing I've neglected on here. So it's basically the road going in it, which I think they're going to want that doing ASAP so they can reopen it. It's funny because there's been a firmware I can't talk today. There's been a firmware update on the drone. So there's a little H on the screen that keeps telling you where you are, so where the drone took off from. Because when a drone takes off, what it does with the help of GPS, it recognises where it should land. So if I do lose, so say that the controller cuts out from the drone will come back and land where it took off from. So there's a little H, as it like you get a helipad, and a little arrow saying where it took off from. And it's a little bit annoying because when you're turning the drone round, you can't see it on screen, but this little H keeps flying around the screen, you know, like a compass. It's a little bit annoying because you think there's a bird in front of your camera, but there's not. It's just that little H floating around. Getting a little bit higher, so I'm going to go over the ground now. There's not a lot going on there. Right, let's get over and we'll have a look at the seating area. Now, priority-wise, I don't know what's priority now. Just with the latest delays that are happening, I don't know where the priorities lie for the build. So I don't know if they're still going to have a rush to get the seats in or not. Oh, I'll have a little zoom in there. Is it me or more? No, they were already in, weren't they? Okay. Yeah, there's no real change, is there? Yeah, they haven't come down anymore. So no real change in the seating. Somebody wants me to have a close look at the roof as well, so I will have a look while I'm coming around this way. Right, so let me zoom in on the roof and then we'll have a little flyby. Okay. If you think there's anything that I should be looking at, let me know. Don't know what that is. There's a little flyby over the roof though, that wants to have a look at the roof. I don't think there's much change. Maybe some edging's gone in. I'm not too sure because I haven't really paid attention to the roof with all the cladding stopping. And we knew that the insides were going to take priorities, so I haven't really concentrated on the roof. But those with the keener eye will let me know. Yeah, I was down at the Liverpool canal the other day, well, taking photos, just doing some drone photography, which was nice, and you know, it's a nice change for me. Without having to make videos, and so I'll have a little flyby over here as well. Without having to worry about getting home and editing videos and stuff, it was just nice to just chill, just me, the drone, no other cameras, and just take some photographs. So I'll put them on at the end. Some photos that I took. Well, the ones that I'm happy with anyway. I took about, I don't know, about 50. I think I'm happy with about 3 of them. So they're cutting slabs down to size there, aren't they? Probably get a bit low, but I don't really want to. I want to keep my distance. Get more fingers and thumbs today. Let's just see what these are. Fencing, that's it. So the entrance to the park is taking shape now. It's just I don't know how they're going to open that up, or is it just an entrance to the footpath? Yeah, because there's a bush in the way and everything, so yeah, it'll just be an entrance to the footpath. I think that could be a pointless act with this storm Bobette coming in. I think it's going to get soaked down there. As I know Liverpool's not going to get it the hardest by this storm, it's mainly the north-eastern Scotland in it, but as I think Liverpool are going to get some heavy wind and rain, but not as much as other parts of the country. Let's just see what's going on there. Not a lot. The block paving's looking good, isn't it? Everything just needs tidying up. That's the only thing. It's, you know, a little walkway there. But you know what? I didn't even notice there was a walkway. Okay, that's good. It's going to look great when it's finished. That's all I can say. It's I don't have much of a vision when it comes to, you know, imagine what it's going to look like. Oh, let me spin round. Sorry if I'm making people dizzy. But yeah, that's it, guys. Good look around. Areas that people have been asking me to look at. If there's anything that you want to see, just ask me, and I'll do my best to accommodate it. Again, if anyone wants any grassroots football pictures doing, I can do them for adults as well, for adult teams as well. By the way, as I've never had an adult team approach me, but you know, if you want to look like a professional footballer, give me a shout and I'll do it for you. Okay, yeah. So right, I'll leave it there. Enjoy the photos at the end, guys. If you like the channel, please subscribe. Subscribers are shooting up. I've got me Casey Hauntings and History channel, which I'm going to start adding to this week. So yeah, that's why I'll only be coming here a few times a week, so I can build that channel up as well, and then I'll be bouncing each channel off each other then. This is going to be mainly a fan channel now, if you like. So it's going to be mainly Liverpool, me being a Liverpool supporter, but I will be putting some Everton in there as well, because I've got a lot of Everton fans that watch the channel still. I just don't like going down to Bramley Moor. That's the only thing, which I hate saying, but I just don't like it down there, flying wise. The ground looks amazing, but yeah, it is what it is. But I've got some Everton stuff planned. Okay. Apart from that, guys, if comments and likes are always appreciated. I reply to as many as I can. I think I reply to like 99% of comments. If they require a reply. But apart from that, as always, look after yourselves and speak to you all soon. Bye now.